The United Kingdom's Ministry of Defense latest intelligence update on Ukraine, August 1, 2023. In southern Ukraine, fierce fighting continues in two key sectors. South of Orikhiv, Ukrainian forces have focused their assaults on Russia's 58th Combined Arms Army. The 58th Army is likely suffering from battle fatigue and heavy casualties among its forward-deployed regiments, which have endured intense combat for over 2 months. Further east near Velika Novosilka, the defending Russian forces are drawn from both the eastern and southern military districts, creating coordination challenges. Elements of Russia's 5th Combined Army appear to be under particular strain and are overdue for rotation after prolonged frontline duty. Across the south, Russian commanders face persistent issues including artillery ammunition shortages, lack of reserves, and difficulty securing flanks. The Institute for the Study of War Russian Offensive Campaign Assessment. The Russian Ministry of Defense accused Ukraine of attempting to attack 2 Black Sea Fleet patrol boats with unmanned semi-submersible vehicles on August 1. Russia initially claimed Ukraine launched 3 drone boats at the Project 22,160 patrol ships Sergei Kotov and Vasily Bykov, around 340 kilometers southwest of Sevastopol. Moscow later clarified the ships were escorting civilian transports to the Bosphorus Strait when they detected and destroyed the semi-submersibles. Russia may be exaggerating the incident to portray Ukraine as recklessly threatening civilian ships, potentially laying groundwork to escalate naval activity and control in the Black Sea. However, there is no evidence Ukraine's strikes on legitimate military targets have endangered civilian vessels. Geolocated images from July 31 confirm installation of anti-drone barriers in Sevastopol Bay, likely part of Russia's broader effort to expand its naval and defensive posture in the Black Sea. The Institute for the Study of War key takeaways today. Drones struck Moscow City early August 1, the latest attack inside Russia. Russia continues positioning General Valery Gerasimov as an involved theater commander, though his true role is unclear. Belarus Lukashenko hinted at using Wagner forces to build a Belarusian contract army for unspecified means. 2 Belarusian helicopters violated Polish airspace on August 1. Ukraine pressed counteroffensives in at least 3 sectors, making gains near Bakhmut on August 1. Non-sanctioned Russian companies still recruit fighters for Ukraine. Iran pursues drone factories in Belarus and Russia, boosting its access to the Russian market. Russia conducted offensives along several axes on August 1, gaining ground in some areas. Ukraine's counteroffensives continued in at least 3 sectors on August 1. Russia granted veteran status to volunteer fighters and Donetsk People's Republic and Luhansk People's Republic militias on August 1. Russia persists in deporting Ukrainian children under the guise of rehabilitation.